In this video, I will tell you how to withdraw money from stocks on Revolut. So first, what you need to do is open the Revolut app and tap on the invest section. Once you're inside, you'll be taken to your investment dashboard where you can view your portfolio. Scroll down a bit until you reach your brokerage account. If you don't immediately see your holdings, make sure to tap the small arrow pointing down to expand the list. This will display all of the stocks currently in your account. Now let's take one stock as an example. To sell it, just tap on the stock and then choose the option sell. From here, you'll enter the number of shares you want to sell. You'll also see the current value of your shares displayed. If you prefer, there are quick options that allow you to sell 10%, 25%, 50%, or even all of your shares with a single tap. In this example, I'll select sell all. The app will then show a summary of the order, including the amount you're selling and the total value. You'll also see the trading fee listed, which can vary, so always review that before confirming. Once everything looks correct, simply tap review, then submit to complete the sale. That's all it takes to cash out your stocks on Revolut. Thanks for watching.